Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our first BoxyCharm of 2023. I believe that this is the base box. We'll know once we open it up. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below. So if you'd like to check it out for yourself, all that information will be right there. So let's just go ahead and open it and see how they welcomed a 2023, okay? Now it is the base box when we open it. I don't know what's been going on with my boxes lately. They're coming in kind of banged up, but this is a base box, okay? So of course we pull out our description card, and the theme for this month is so fresh and so clean. Okay. And on the other side is just a description of everything that is included in this month's box. So let's just jump right in and see what's here. So the first item that we have is by Touch and Soul. I like this brand. I used their primer for a long time, okay? And it says this is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream, okay? And it says it's a lightweight skin tightening cream that will keep you moisturized with its hydrolyzed collagen and hyaluronic acid formula. It's perfect for all skin types. This face cream will restore plumpness and firmness to give you a youthful, all-day glow. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $38. So according to our packaging, this is a 1.78 fluid ounce size. And let's just check it out and see what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, and when we open it up, this is what the inside packaging looks like. Can you see that okay? Or is it just a little dark? Okay, is that better? Hopefully it is, okay? So it says that this one, oh, I love it when the packaging does this. It has the expiration date printed on it. And it says it expires in November of 2025, okay? Which is very, very good. That means that we can open it and see what it smells like. Now, when we open it, it does have that safety on it. Oh, okay, it has a very nice light and smell. Can you see that? Okay, and let's just touch a little bit of it here. And we're going to see what this is like on our skin. Okay, I definitely like. It feels really nice. It absorbs really quickly, and it doesn't leave my hands feeling greasy. Okay, a nice texture on it, and I really do like the smell. Okay, so let's just put that away. I like it. It's not telling me I have 12 months from the day that it's open. It says this product expires in 2025. This will so truly be gone by then, okay? So that is item number one, and we're off to a pretty good start. Then item number two is by True and Luscious, okay? And it's this one right here. This is Angel Eyes Primer, and it says a hydrating eye primer that locks in your eyeshadow and concealer for crease-proof, no smudge wear for up to 16 hours. A tinted formula that corrects redness and creates an even canvas that intensifies the vibrancy of powder and cream eyeshadows. Infused with soothing damascene rose extract as well as bentonite clay to naturally balance oil and form a protective barrier under the makeup. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $22. Okay, so this is what the inside packaging looks like. Infused with rose extract, okay, and a 0.33 fluid ounce size. And it is a vegan, cruelty-free, safety-tested product, and it's formulated without parabens, phthalates, triclosan, and talc. Okay, and it says it has a 6-month shelf life. 6 months. Now, if you remember when I was reading the description, it said it had color correcting capabilities. Now, I just want you to look at this on the side. Okay, so it corrects with the yellow, okay, under the eye and, you know. All right, it says a color correcting eye primer infused with soothing botanical extracts that create a makeup gripping canvas to maximize color, vibrancy, and prevent creasing, smudging, or fading. Okay, now if you remember, it did also tell us for up to 16 hours. Now I'm looking at this packaging. You know, sometimes it's not all that great to have it right in front of the light, but this packaging is almost full. It is up to right here. I can see it right through the tube. Okay, so this one is item number 2. I'm looking forward to trying that. I like to see my eyeshadow pop. That keeps me from having to put on so much. Okay, so then the next item that I have is by Shayna B. Miami, and this one is a cream blush. It says this ultra velvety cream blush gives you a natural looking flush. Its long-lasting formula applies easily and blends quickly for a seamless finish. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $18, and it says this is brand new to Boxy. Now, I am going to tell you, I'm not going to open this product only because I have about 6 blush palettes, not blushes, blush palettes, okay? And plus I have several single blushes. So look, we're going to start off this year stocking up for our giveaways, okay? So according to this, it says this has a 12-month shelf life. It is cruelty-free. And trying to check the shade, but it's not telling me. I don't want to open it to see. But it says create a warm, okay, a warm berry glow with this Miami inspired cream blush. Okay, so whoever it is that wins this, please let me know exactly what it looks like and tag me when you use it so that I can see it. Okay, so that one is item number 3. Item number 4 is by Persona Cosmetics, and it's this one here, and this is the E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm. And it says a sheer lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients, designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $22. You can never have too much lip balm, that's for sure. Okay, and this one is a vegan and gluten-free product. It's a 3.2 gram size, okay? And it has a 6-month shelf life. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And let's find out this shade. It's actually called Manifest. I love that. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it on that one, but here it is on the box as well. And let's just go ahead and, do I want to open it? Yes, we're going to open it. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Here we go. And this is the shade. It feels nice, but it's like such a slight tint. So even on the days when you are not wearing any lipstick or whatever, you can put it on, give yourself a wonderful feeling lip, and add a little sheer color to it as well. Okay, so that one is item number 4. And the last item in this box is by Wander Beauty. I just got a Wander Beauty palette. Okay, nonetheless. Okay, and the last item in the box is by Wander Beauty, and it's this one right here. This is the Sweet Escape palette, all right? And it says send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmering neutral and bold shades that take you effortlessly from day to play, wherever you wander, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $42, and this is an exclusive drop with BoxyCharm, okay? Now, according to the packaging, this is the inside, which looks exactly like the outside, but this is a 7.5 gram or 0.26 ounce size, and it has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a cruelty-free product, okay? Now, oh, this is beautiful. Okay, this is really, really pretty. Okay, let me just cover the mirror. Okay, I just let you know that it does come with a full-size mirror, and these are some gorgeous shades. It comes with 10, it's a 10 pan palette, and these are what the shades look like. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? Okay. Now, I like the names. I do like the names on these. And it's almost as if every shade has a shimmer or a glitter with it. But I'm excited to use this one. And we are going back to the Wear the Box, okay, which I do have one from last month's Boxy Premium as well. I'll leave the link above for that, okay, so that you can check out last month's. Okay, so would we like to swatch? So what I did is I swatched 3 of the shades that came in this palette. This one here is called Window Seat. Okay, then this one is In the Clouds. And the last one is Out of Office. Okay, so what do you think? They're very nice. This is only one swipe, okay? So I didn't build it up. So with this one, I'm really feeling this, but I do like these shades. So hopefully using a primer will really make them pop, okay? So I'm very interested to try this one out for our next Wear the Box, okay? So how do you think BoxyCharm did for the first box of 2023? Are they ushering in it questionably, or is it coming in with a bang, or are we just like, I'm gonna need to wait and see some more first? Let me know your thoughts down below, okay? So I would like to thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed the first BoxyCharm base box of 2023. These are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for the full box content. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.